Welcome to RAThbun's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be on a 2001 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide over at Spanky shop. Grab that cup of coffee, kick back, and enjoy this next video. Subscribe, please.
Well, as Carolyn just said, we're going over to Spanky's house to work on his 2001 Electra Glide. See what he's got done in the last 5 days. I haven't been there. Well, that worked pretty good though. Filled them things up with oil. Now that thing is, your inside of that cable is oily, but we got to pull them off before we can check and see if how free the cable is. Just warm it up a little bit and we'll pull that off. Started cleaning on the wheels and the front end. A lot of cleaning left to go. But they look better. What type tires did you get? What are these? Kendra or something? Yeah, I've seen those. They look good. Full of air. So I just noticed something. And this one's not off as bad as the other one. When they put the tire on, that dot is supposed to be there. You all know that. On the other one, the dot is way over there. So these won't be going on today. That's for sure. And they're needing to be cleaned anyway. Well, we got the carburetor on. Had it running for a second, backfired and shot it off. Now, got the front end cleaned up pretty good. Clean up a little more and it'll be done. So, let's see if we can get her started. Now we got her running. The register is in. Now we're trying to get her backed out. Okay, you're still idling at about 1,500. You want to go down another at least 500 at least. Take her down a little more. Idle it down a little more. Okay, look up here. It's about 1,200. We had it at 1,100 once. How's the head? Is it warm? Warm? Go ahead and take it out a little more then. Just look up here. You want to get this at about 1,000 at the best. Oh, that sounds good. What do you got? It looks like 1,100, yeah. If you could get it down to 1,000, that'd be good. Because it's still a little high. Well, we're going to continue working on that. Well, I'm going to continue working on it, apparently. I don't think he knows where his tachometer is. Let's see if he gets her done. We'll start it back up when we get her idling down where it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, there it's going. Now what you idling that? Go down. Is that where you want it? You want it high? There you go. That sounds pretty good. Still trying to backfire on us a bit. How long had he said that had been sitting? 2 years. I think that's going to work right there for that part. Let's see what else we can do. Need a bigger hammer? Let's fire it up and see if she fires up like she's supposed to. Oh, you ain't got that in?
I'm marring the shit out of it.
Well, then you know what you do? Put a little piece of leather on it before you beat on it. There you go. There you go.
The bike's coming apart.
Oh, no. Let's see if she fires like it's supposed to. Shouldn't need any throttle, shouldn't need anything but just hit the switch. Well, you probably want to turn on the ignition. Yeah, there you go. Don't do that. Give it a little, you use your enrichment, don't use your throttle. Pull that out a little bit.
Well, it's not even mounted in there.
No, not yet. Carburetor ain't mounted on yet. Just a little bit. Go ahead and push that in. Yeah, we're going to want to idle it a little higher. Now that we got her set. New grips are going to look good. This one's easy to change out. Your black over. So, you got a bolt in your radio yet, and wire tie. They go in. I'll show you. Yeah.
Don't these go on the curb?
Yeah, they hold on your air. Them hold on your air cleaner. But we got to take that one out of your air cleaner and clean it out. See why it's sticking in there. I'd go through here and wire tie up every wire except for the one for your headlight, wherever it is. It should.
Got a new one coming, a K&N.
K&N filter. Where the heck is your headlight thing?
Oh, I probably tucked it
There
up
it
in
is.
there.
That's for your headlight. Plug this in, figure out you got to trace the wires back for your, see which ones are going to it. I don't know why they're double. You'll have to trace them back and see which ones they were using.
Well, I don't think. This one plugs into this box down here, Gary. I don't know what this box is. Right here. It plugs in here.
I don't know. Well, which one goes all the way back? You might want to start with this one, because the radio is the only one you're going to want, right? This one was being used, so you want to trace this one that away, and then you'll know which one to get rid of up front. Okay. It's raining nicely. It sounds nice. You done?
I hope you liked the video, guys. If you subscribe to my channel by clicking the little button here, you're going to get notified of upcoming videos. We have thousands of them on here for you to choose from. There are motorcycle rides, new places to go and explore. So please subscribe and join our Patreon. It helps the channel a lot. Have a great day.